Imagine if every cow on Earth wore a backpack that captured its burps. Sounds silly, right? But cow burps are a major source of methane, a potent greenhouse gas. Scientists have discovered that reducing methane emissions from livestock could slow global warming faster than cutting CO2. It's like finding out that a cow's burp is more powerful than a car's exhaust. This quirky fact highlights the unexpected ways we can combat climate change. So, next time you see a cow, remember its burp might just save the planet. Hit like, comment, and subscribe for more surprising stories.